name is Deepak Chauhan from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Today we have discussed about the BTech first year semester 1 syllabus of subject Professional Communication and Technical Writing AAS 105 AAS 205 to credit, and there are 30 hours to complete this course. Course objective: explain the principle of professional communication, workplace ethics and business correspondence required for professional environments, apply verbal, non-verbal presentation, and AI assistant communication strategies to communicate effectively in academy and profession. Third point is analyze workplace situation by using emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and ethics decision making based on Indian knowledge system. Now the fourth is demonstrate leadership, teamwork, interpersonal communication, and collaborative problem solving skill in diverse professional contexts. The fifth is intellectual mindfulness, yogic principle, and professional ethics for promote effective communication, personal well-being, and lifelong professional growth. This is all about of subject outcomes, course objective. Now we proceed from the unit 1. Unit 1 is professional communication and workplace readiness. कैसे हम लोग कम्युनिकेशन को अपने यूज कर सकते हैं वर्क प्लेस पे जहाँ हम लोग काम करते हैं. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज फंडामेंटल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. व्हाट इज कम्युनिकेशन? If we share our idea to anyone and also give knowledge for anyone, this is known as communication. Definition: process, importance of communication, barrier to communication, 7C of communication. There are many methods to make a good communication. Now the second point is business correspondence like email, notice, agenda, minutes of meeting, technical report and proposal. ईमेल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मेल, नोटिस जैसे नोटिस हम लिखते हैं, एजेंडा किसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करना है जो कि उस लेवल पे ना हो, मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग, मीटिंग से पहले क्या करना है टेक्निकली. नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट इज रिज्यूमे, सीवी एंड कवर लेटर राइटिंग. रिज्यूमे 1 से 2 पेज का होता है, सीवी more than 20 pages, 30 pages, 200 pages also. Now the interview skill. इंटरव्यू हम लोग कैसे अपना ये काम कर सकते हैं उसको बोलते हैं इंटरव्यू स्किल. प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्किंग एंड ब्रांडिंग like LinkedIn, X, ATS score. In this time, LinkedIn is very important for every student for BTech and many other. Digital communication, aquatic online presence and virtual meeting. After COVID, this is very important to virtual meeting. Assignment and activities. Prepare a professional resume and cover letter. Draft business email and meeting in minutes. Participate in mock interview. Now proceed from second unit. The second unit is classify grammar and vocabulary for technical writing. Part of speech and sentence structure. Part of speech there are कैसे पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच होता है उसको, और सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है, कैसे सेंटेंस बनता है, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट इस तरह बनता है. कॉमन ग्रामेटिकल एरर. देयर आर मेनी ग्रामेटिकल एरर इन द राइटिंग ऑफ एनी लेटर. Subject to agreement, tenses and article. Tenses like present, past, future. Article is and there are many articles. Or technical vocabulary, word formation and preciseness in language. Tone, style, clarity in technical communication. Editing and proofreading technique for technical writing. Grammar and vocabulary enhancement through practical writing exercise. Assignment and activities में क्या है, edit and profit a technical paragraph to improve grammar, vocabulary, precaution, and clarity. Now proceed from Unit 3. Public speaking, presentation, and AI assistant communication. Now the first is public speaking technique. अब पब्लिक स्पीकिंग टेक्निक में हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग टेक्निक बहुत अच्छा हो जाए। तो मोड वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन। वर्बल विच मीन्स टू say anything with mouth or to and mouth to mouth. Non-verbal communication which means to use body language and so on. Understanding non-verbal communication through a नक्षत्र अगिंतंत अभिनय body language posture gesture facial expression वाचिका अभिनय voice modulation and speech delivery सत्विका अभिनय expression the emotion and arithmetic communication presentation of planning and delivery data visualization and slide design elevator pitch AI tool for presenting design and speech practice prompt writing for effective communication ethical use for AI in communication assignment and activities के इसमें deliver an individual presentation prepare an AI assistant presentation with proper criticism record and evaluate pitch. Now proceed from Unit 4 Emotional Intelligence and Critical Thinking for Workplace Communication. Again, this is very important for emotional intelligence and critical thinking. Without emotional intelligence and critical thinking, the people cannot work properly in the workplace, in house, in many other places. Now, the first is emotional intelligence through the Bhagavad Gita, self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, इमोशनल बैलेंस में क्या क्या है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग थॉट इंडियन वैल्यूज एंड लॉजिकल ट्रेडिशनल नारायणा लॉजिक विच मीन्स रीजनिंग लॉजिकल रीजनिंग वेदिका डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड जजमेंट वैल्यू बेस्ड डिसीजन मेकिंग इथिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग रिफ्लेक्टिव थिंकिंग एंड प्रोफेशनल कंडक्ट असाइनमेंट एंड एक्टिविटीज में क्या केस स्टडी एनालिसिस यूजिंग वैल्यू बेस्ड डिसीजन मेकिंग reflective journal on emotional intelligence, group discussion on workplace of ethical. The unit 5 is leadership, workplace well-being, and mindful communication. Number 1 is leadership definition and type. Second one is leadership communication, active listening, constructive feedback, teamwork and collaboration, mental health, stress management, and work-life balance. Effective communication through yoga, practice Yama as a principle of ethics communication. I Abhi Ahimsa, respectful and non-violence communication. Satya, truthfulness and transparency. Asthya, integrity and honesty. Brahmacharya, responsible and balanced communication. Apigatam, freedom of ego, bias and processness. Niyama, for personal and professional growth. Such clean clarity of thought and communication, Santosha contentment and positive workplace relationship, Tapas self decision and professional committee, Sadveta self reflection and continuous learning, Asavera Panimana purpose humanity and service oriented leadership, storytelling thought Panch Panchatattva, The Lion and the Rabbit, Leadership and Strategy Communication, The Minimist Iron Balance, Emotional Intelligence and Strategy Conflict Resolution, The Two Fish and the Frog, Leadership, Vigilancy and Decision Making, The merchant and the king servant, peacefully leadership, workplace ethics, and employee relation. The course outcome of the communication are communicate. The first is Unit 1, communicate effectively in professional setting using appropriate verbal writing and digital communication skill. Unit 2, apply grammar and vocabulary to produce clear technical English. Unit 3, design and deliver effective presentation by applying public speaking techniques and AI assistant communication tool ethically. The fourth is apply emotional intelligence, logical reasoning, and value-based decision making to solve workplace challenges. Unit 5, demonstrate leadership, teamwork, ethical and mindful communication, stress management, and professional well-being for effective and sustainable workplace successful. This is all about of